Ingredients you'll need: 1/2 cup butter, 1 1/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup milk, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Tools you will need: an oven, loaf pan, Pam or olive oil spray, measuring cups, electric or mechanical whisker, 3 bowls, toothpick, knife, and oven mitt. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and prepare a loaf pan by spraying the inside with Pam. Set the pan aside. The Pam helps the butter not to stick. Step 2. Grab a bowl, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup butter, and 1 cup sugar. Mix the 1/2 cup butter and 1 cup sugar together in the bowl. Then add the 2 eggs one at a time. In a separate bowl, add the 1 cup sugar, 1 1/2 cup flour, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then dump half the flour mix into the butter mix bowl. The baking powder will help the bread rise. Step 4. After adding half of the flour mix into the butter mix, add the 1/2 cup milk to the rest of the flour mix. Then add the remaining flour mix to the butter mixture. Step 5. Add the 1 tablespoon lemon zest and mix everything together. After mixing, pour the mixture into the loaf pan. Step 6. Put the pan in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes or till a toothpick comes out clean. When you push it in and pull it out. While waiting, mix in a bowl the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. When lemon bread is done, put on oven mitts and take it out of the oven. Poke a hole in the lemon bread to let the lemon juice get inside the loaf. Pour the lemon juice mixture onto the bread.